Show me how you push your baby. That's right. Walk with it. Look at you. You're doing it. Yep, you push your baby. Come on. Molly, use your legs and push yourself along. There you go. That's right. That's right. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Yep, you're going. Push your baby. There you go. Nice job. Are you being a little mommy? Yeah? Daddy. Daddy? He went to the potty. Are you being a little mommy? Yeah? You want to do it. Oh, your wheel's stuck. There you go. Now do it. Come on. Good girl. Go shopping with your little baby. Yeah. Good girl. You want to go the other way? Here. Turn around. You can do it. Don't worry. I'm not taking it off. Ready? All right. Push your baby. Okay, go that way. Go that way. Push your baby. Take her for a walk. Push her. Yeah. Molly. You pushing your baby? Why don't you come over this way? Come over here. You know how to turn. Come on. Yep, that's right. Come on. Come this way. Come to the dining room. Good girl. Nice turn. Come on. Nice turn. Keep coming. Nice dilly-do. Come on. Really good. Oh, you're gonna get stuck. Let's help you through the doorway. Ready? Push. Come on, push through. Push through. Come on. Oh, woof. That's Brownie. Thanks to Ruthie. Good girl. Come on in. Come on. Wow. Yeah. Come on. I'm gonna roll the rug up. Come on.
Dogs didn't do a clean job. I wonder if they left any evidence. Oh yeah, the flower.
Come on.
But that would give me a clue.
Rolling the rug up and videotaping. Come on. You can fit. Great video, huh? Come on. Come show Kaya. Look at your sister. Kaya. Who's that? What is she doing?
Wow. Those are German soul friends for sure.
She came all the way into the kitchen.
Where is that sneaky scavenger?
Yeah, you did it. Molly, can you say bye-bye? Show me bye-byes. Good girl.